Just come up the hill, there's the Scapa Bank Hotel. Over on the top there, some gun pits, and just past them a radar site, so let's go have a look. Straight off the road, and there's concrete bases, presumably for accommodation. There's a fair few. There's a building over there, remains of something here as well. There's only a short walk up to the gun pits. This is a lot smaller and more basic layout than the ones I've just been looking at down the hill. Okay, there's, as usual, the 4 in a semicircle. I'm going to run through from this one to the next and have a bit of an explanation. And this one's quite damaged. There's something going on here, but the concrete is exposed, so we can go and have a look down here at the holdfasts. Large, small, around in a circle. So we've got a large metal securing ring there and there, with the smaller ones coming round. So the centre is here, and we can spin round. And if you just look over there, you can see the radar station again. So there's the radar station over there, with gun pit 1, gun pit 2, gun pit 3, Scapa Bank Hotel, gun pit 4, and back around. So let's go have a look here. This is quite smashed up now. It's a great pity, great shame. See, people like me are interested in this sort of stuff. You know, that's a tangible bit of history, proper evidence, proper remnant from the war. And although this wasn't my grandfather's gun site, it was from his regiment. Here we go. How's this one looking? You've still got all the earthworks, you've got the concrete. I mean, until such times it gets dangerous, I see no point in destroying these. Certainly no reason. So here we go. Coming round, round and down, up and round. There's a walkway here. So going inside, you've got the holes in the wall, presumably to hold the bits of wood for the ammunition storage, for the large shells. Walking through, and this one, well, I'm guessing that's storage as well, but boxed rather than ready for firing. Same again, more storage for shells ready to fire. And that is the same there. Going back through, let's check out what's here outside. Well, not much. Accommodation, presumably, over at the hotel. Interestingly, there's more concrete there than concrete posts. Another building over here. this is quite a large platform, and it's solid as well. And that's deep footings there. Smashed up bits. It's all falling down now. Look at that beam. Who knows? Well, there's a very heavy metal bath there. Behind it, Gunsite on the hill, massive great concrete square, and these are the accommodation blocks, the bases, maybe the ablutions and the canteen. But most likely this was a Nissen hut.